MarkBook has a number of functions associated with birth date and age. In order to get these to work, on the class screen, click Class. Halfway down are three fields: month, day, and year. These can be manually entered, or they can be imported electronically if the class was imported. Once entered or imported, MarkBook will calculate the age of each student and the class average age. There are several other automated functions that appear on the main form. Click Back. There's a message up at the top, right above the student names. You'll notice that some of the students have letters in front of their names. For instance, Roger, letter A, has the next birthday in class. Adneil, letter B, will be after Roger. Hannah will be the third birthday, and so on and so on. To see any student's birthday, left-click on their name, then right-click, and a message will appear indicating the date and age of the student on that date. To print a birthday form, click the Printed Forms button, select the third option down at the right, and click Print Birth Dates. And this is a view of the form that will come out of your printer. The students are not listed alphabetically. Instead, they're listed in birthday order from the beginning of the academic year, September in this case. Students are clustered into monthly groups, 3 in February, 4 in March, and so on. Each student's age is calculated to 1/10 of a month as of the print date, in this case February 5th, 2013. Use this form to warn you about impending birthdays in your class. March into class on a student's birthday and wish them happy birthday. Students love individual recognition and usually work more diligently for teachers who acknowledge their personal achievement. But what if your academic year begins in August and not September? In this case, click the Attendance Forms button. Towards the upper right, click Setup. In the center, click General Options. Starting month, pop down the menu and select August. At the bottom of the screen, click Apply. And then at the right, click Back. And now when you click the Print Birth Dates button, the students will appear in order starting in the month of August.